Hey, recording.
Give me a beat.
He give you a beat. Give it to him, man.
Hey, I'm a monster, you can't see that. I'ma holla at your bitch like where the weed at. Young fool, I come through, yeah, I'm an addict. I'm about the fucking cash, nigga, I gotta have it. Yeah, I go hard, I mash forward, man, there's no whole bar. I leave a nigga scarred, man, you come get yours. Hey, however you want it, I can do it. I spit that pip shit, yeah, cause I gotta do it. I'm a real ass nigga from the east side block. See me in the street, nigga, and you will get dropped. Nigga will get hold. Nigga will get hugged. See me in the streets, nigga, and the streets I love. I gotta do that thing. Yeah, my nigga beatbox. See me in the streets, yeah, I got them heat rocks. A Glock 9, nigga, a 4.5, nigga. Hey, I gotta survive this do or die, nigga. Yeah, I go hard. I mash fraud. No holds barred. Bitch, nigga, get scarred. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hold up. Look, now see me, I don't rap, but I might hop on the mic. Nigga catch me in the TZ chillin' with 3 dice. Nigga fuck around, you only get 1 strike. And nigga in the club like what I'm doing hype. But me, I'm the front man. Nigga keep a cannon in my hand. If you talk, nigga, I stand where I stand, knock you down. Nigga, what, we don't play around. Nigga, me and my niggas run through like underground. They say my beard lined up like a fucking ass check. I'm fresh to death, but a nigga blast text, about to smack a bitch, she ain't brought my cash yet. I'ma fuck with a killer hoe, I'm your last bet, hold up. I'm about to go ham, pull my AK out, cause that hoe don't jam. Young fool, trillin' smoke, man, the track gon' air. Go hard entertainment, make you say goddamn. To have to slap a bitch up, cause she ain't bring the money back. Catch me what, eating up the track. Nigga beastly when it comes to eating meat. Catch me and my baby, we will stay up on our feet. Never fall down. Money stacking up. Catch me sipping what promethazine up in my cup. A nigga kick butt like karate ninjas. Nigga what? Talk about I'm all about my Benjis. Hey, man, I do it for Amari. One day I'ma buy him a Ferrari. Until then I'ma get my cash up. I'm smoking on Jamaica in the lead like Usain Bolt. I look back and tell them niggas to catch up. Cause I don't wanna see doing this same gangster shit my whole damn life. But if I got to, I'ma do this motherfucking shit until the motherfucking ripper scope. Hey, hold up. Bitch. Drop off the mic, but I'ma get that hoe back high. Nigga, that's my type. I stay in the club, pulling all types of bitches. Nigga catch me in the streets trying to get all types of riches. I got all types of hustles. Nigga, I got a bubble. Nigga, see me in the streets, you can call me a young rebel when I fight. Nigga, never back down. Nigga, what? You talking pistols, not clap now. What? Step in my face, nigga. What? Drink liquid, no chase, nigga. I'm on the race, nigga. Stack my benches up. Nigga, fuck it.